Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll until we will find the security. Now let's tap on more settings. This option should be at the very bottom of this list, so let's tap, and on the third position we've got encryption and credentials. This is the option we're looking for, so let's enter. And as you can see right here with this bluish color, we've got the option to delete all credentials. So simply tap on it, tap on delete, and as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully, so it's very simple. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.